What you doing, Leo?
Apples.
You eating apples?
Frisbee's here, Dad. Frisbee's
Check
here,
the apples
Dad.
on your plate.
Dad, Frisbee's here.
Frisbee's here. Your brother's eating apples. What is that look on your face?
This is one Mommy's gloves. Let me see if it can fit. Oh, it's going. Probably goes on.
What is the matter, Leo? Are those good apples? Do you like them? Do you like the apples?
Happy.
You're happy?
I think it's a happy meal. Hey, Dad, look.
Alien fingers!
Ah! What do you call these dingly fingers? Hey, that's my gloves.
Leo, Richie was using those.
Ow.
Leo, no.